Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use Play-doh and learn colors and numbers. Are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. It looks like all the colors don't match. Let's match all the colors of the ball and the colors of the circles together so we can start learning. First up, we have a blue ball. Let's find a blue circle. Is this a blue circle, guys? No. Is this a blue circle? Yes, it is. Now we have a red ball. Let's keep going to find a red circle. Is this a red circle, guys? Correct, it's not. Is this a red circle, guys? Yes, it is. Okay, now let's put the red ball right under the red circle. And now we have a purple ball. Let's find the purple ball, guys. Is this purple circle? No, it's not. Is this purple circle, guys? Yes, it is. Now we have 1, 2, 3 colors that match. We only have 2 more, so we're going to switch their places. Here's our orange circle and orange ball. And here's our pink circle and pink ball. Good job. Now let's count all the colors that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 colors. First color is purple. And here's our purple circle. I'm going to squish them together. Okay, here I have this shape. Can you guess what shape this is? It looks like a shape of a dog. Yes, that's correct, guys. Now let's make our dogs using the Play-doh. Whee! Yes! Here we have a purple dog. Purple dog. Great! Next we have a blue ball and a blue circle. Now I'm going to squish them together. Whoa! Here we have a blue dog. Blue dog. They look so cute. Next, I have an orange ball and an orange circle. I'm going to squish them together. Great! I'm going to flatten this out. here I have an orange dog. Orange dog. Then I'm going to put him right here. Next, I have a red ball and a red circle. And let's make a new dog. Great! Here we have a red dog. Red dog. So cute. Lastly, I have a pink ball and a pink circle. I'm going to squish them together. Here we go. Now I have a pink dog. Pink dog. Let's name all the colors of the dogs one more time, guys. Purple dog, blue dog, yellow dog, red dog, and pink dog. They're ready to go outside and play. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.